Hey guys, it's Nick from Real Nick Fishing, and today we're gonna be hitting a spillway that runs into a creek from the main lake, and well, it is pretty packed today. It looks like everyone in town has had the same idea as us, so I'm just trying to find a place to park and get our stuff out and go ahead and check it out. So hopefully we can find some decent fish. So I'm headed down to the spillway right now. There's a lot of people hiking, but I don't think anyone here is fishing, so that should be good. And the spillway is flowing. So let's go ahead and get a worm out and see what we can catch. Also, the water seems really, really clear. A lot clearer than it usually is. So we're gonna go ahead and set up by those rocks over there and see if we can't catch something in the first 20-30 minutes. So I did go ahead and bring a minnow trap with me. However, I did not see any minnows. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut up a night collar and throw it out and see what I can catch. Alright, so I did just bait up both rods. Let's go ahead and throw them out there. So while I do wait for a bite, I am going to go ahead and use this bait caster. Go ahead and throw a speed worm. See if I can catch anything. At least get a bite. So, oh, that was a horrible cast. All right, that was awful. Let's go ahead and try again. That was a little better. This is my first time, not really first time, but one of the first times using this reel. So I'm not used to it yet. This bottom is very rocky though. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be good. I'll go ahead and lower the brakes down to 2. Go ahead and try that because I'm not getting good distance on my cast. I'm not sure if that's just me or the settings are off, but go ahead and try that. All right, I've been throwing the speed worm for a little bit. I'm not getting any bites, so I don't know. We'll keep throwing it for a little bit, but either they're not wanting it or there's nothing here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check the other rods, see if there's any bites on the real worms. So let's go ahead and check those out. Let's go ahead and see if anything. Looks like we still got our bait. All right, let's go ahead and put her back out there. Oh, I have no idea where that landed. God darn it. So it does seem like I got snagged. I didn't bring any extra tackle for a Carolina rig with me, so looks like we're gonna have to go back to the car and go ahead and re-rig this one. But in the meantime, we'll wait a little bit more, see if we get any bites on the silver one. But yeah, we might have to move spots. Luckily the car is not too far away, so we'll just go ahead and go back and go ahead and re-rig it. Got hung up on this one too. Yeah, guys, let's we're gonna go ahead and move spots because this is getting annoying. So let's go back to the car and re-rig up. And actually, I might have kept it. Okay, I did keep it. I think we're gonna go ahead and move spots anyway. Let's go back to the car and rig up my other rod and go ahead and move further downstream. So I went ahead and retied, and now we're gonna go further downstream. If we don't kill ourselves first. So let's go ahead and move further downstream and see if we can't catch anything. It looks like the water levels are way higher than it usually is. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to find a spot without getting our rods tangled. Oh man. There we go. Do it. Spot down there. Yeah, let's go ahead and try down there. Let's go ahead and try over here. See if we can't catch anything. Alright, we've been here for like 15-20 minutes. Actually, probably a little bit more. And we have not even gotten a bite. So go ahead and pick up and move even further downstream, and hopefully we can find some fish. So while I am walking downstream, I am looking for a spot to put my minnow trap. But I don't see any minnows at all. In the summer, this place, you see minnows everywhere in the shallow pools. So, yeah, I'm just looking. But over here, it looks like the water is running quite a bit. And in the summer, I have never seen it like this, so maybe it's a good spot. So maybe it's a good spot. We'll go ahead and check it out. See if I can cross this rock without dying. Oh man, this is not a good idea. There we go. There. And bing, bang. Perfect. Made it across. Oh man. Guys, this is awesome. Never seen it like this before. It looks like this little pool might be a good spot to put my minnow trap, so I'll go ahead and set it up. So a minnow trap is just a 2-liter bottle with a top cut off and inserted with some bread inside, so go ahead and fill it with water. Alright. I went ahead and filled it with water and laid it there. We'll come back probably in 20 minutes and go check it out. In the meantime, let's go back to finding a spot. I saw a baby bass over here earlier, and I'm not sure where it went, but there's a lot of people here as well. I don't know. Don't think I got one. Yeah, it's a leaf. Wow. There you go. Alrighty, guys, I found the spot. I don't know if you can hear me because of the waterfall, but I haven't been doing much talking lately because there's been a lot of people. And yeah, there's been a lot of people going back and forth. And I think I see a couple of small bass right here. See if I can try to get them. I think they might be this big bluegill. Try and get there one more time. Was it close enough? No, there's smaller sunfish trying to get at it. See if I can get right in between the hill. Guys, I think I got one. Yep, there we go. Fish on. This is a tiny little panfish. He is very, very, very warm, which is probably why all the fish over here are over here. So I got something. Fish on. Oh. What is it? What is it? It's just a small sunfish. Nothing special. I'm telling you guys, these guys are very, very, very warm. I don't know why. I'm not sure if you can hear me because of the waterfall, but again, there's a lot of people here. Not really talking as much, but I haven't caught anything huge yet. Probably won't. We'll stay here a little bit, see if we can catch those small, tiny bass. But if not, probably head back and check our mirror traps, and then probably just head back because we're burning daylight here. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just stand in the water so this way I don't break off. And it's been frustrating this whole time because I keep breaking off cast after cast. So let's go ahead and see if we can catch anything by this waterfall. I think I got something. Yep. Another sunfish. There you go. Let's go ahead and throw it back out there. Almost got it there. Oh, I do have one. Even smaller sunfish. Alright, going back in the water to see if we can catch anything bigger. I'd like a small bass, but we'll see. Alright, we're gonna try one more cast out here in the waterfall. see if there's anything big out here. Probably not. We're just gonna try, so let's go ahead and toss it out. Got one. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Sun's about to set. It's starting to get cold. I didn't catch anything big. Didn't catch what we were planning to catch, but I caught something. So I guess that's better than nothing, but I spotted a couple bass, but catching them was a different story. So I'll probably come back here another time. It's a beautiful place. Really nice. These things still too cold. Cold front's coming in anyway. But anyway, if you want to see more, like and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram at real_Nick_Fishing. Real_Nick_Fishing. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. You have a good one.